Question 1. What is the world's oldest parliament founded in the year 930 AD? The answer is Althing of Iceland. Question 2. The gas that filled the electric bulb is. The answer is nitrogen. Question 3. Who invented the steam engine? The answer is James Watt. Question 4. Penicillin was discovered by. Answer is Alexander Fleming. Question 5. How many members of Economic Cooperation Organization? Answer is 10. Question 6. The founder of Indian National Congress is. Answer is A.O. Hume. Question 7. First Lady Major General in Pakistan. Answer is Dr. Shahida Malik. Question 8. First radio station established was of. Answer is Karachi. Question 9. First TV station was set up at Lahore on. Answer is November 26, 1964. Question 10. First space satellite was launched by Pakistan in. Answer is 1990. Question 11. First private TV channel STN launched in. Answer is 1990.